Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by SendWin.
In this video, we're going to talk about the various hotkeys or the shortcut keys that you can use inside of SendWin, and this are going to make your life so much easier and better. Right, so without further ado, let's start with the very first shortcut key that is used to launch SendWin. Right, so in order to launch the SendWin extension, what you can do is just simply press Ctrl, Shift, and U on your keyboard, and you see the extension has launched. All right, so you can see my mouse cursor is here. Okay, I'll again launch it back, Ctrl, Shift, and U, and it launches automatically. Right, so that's how you can basically launch a session, launch the extension, all right, by just using your keyboard. Alright, so the next shortcut key that you can use inside SendWin is Ctrl, Shift, and Z, and you can see once you press Ctrl, Shift, and Z, it launches a new new session for you. Alright, so you can check it out. It's a new session, right? And plus it is a save session, right? This is a save session, and alright, you can see I'm already logged in. So let's launch a new session. The other shortcut key that you can use is Ctrl, Shift, and Y, and this launches a temporary session. Okay, so this is a temporary session. You can see because it's working. Okay, it's an isolated tab, it has got no proxies, but this is a save session because it has it has the proxy. All right, if you have already followed us a previous video, you know that we have set up proxy for SendWin saved sessions. All right, so it's a save session, and therefore we get we're getting an error with the proxy server, right? So because this is a save session, all right, so in case like this one is a temporary session, it's completely isolated, it's a new session, so we don't face any error with it. It's just a new session, right? So these were the three major shortcut keys that you can use inside of SendWin, and I hope that this would help you to create sessions much faster, launch SendWin faster, and perhaps this video should have helped you some way. And in case it didn't, do let us know by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and follow us on our social handles. And in case you got any queries, make sure to feel free to drop them down in the comments. We'll be very happy to read them down and solve it out for you. And so this was it for today's video. I'll see you in some other video. Till then,
Take care and bye bye.